I just go out of the hospital with 2 surgeries. On the hospital bed, on the border with the darkness, you really understand how insignificant your life is. Your life full of pride, greed, envy. This fungus is probably the Marasmiellus species, Marasmiellus candidus. Just as this fungus grows shy, fragile, almost invisible in the context of the whole manifestation, so our life is. A shadow sliding from birth to death, hoping for something messianic in his earthly destiny. But earthly human life is just a stain, a fog, a point, a ghost, a drop, a grain of dust, a bit from something unknown. The human being is not born at birth and does not die at death. And no living thing on earth is born of birth and does not die at death. Something comes before birth and passes away from death. And this is found deep inside this fragile mushroom. It is found in the carpet of fallen leaves, in the branches of the trees, in the wind, in the sky, in the ground, in the fire, in the water, in the hand that holds this mushroom, in the eyes that see it, and in the mind astonished by the infinite power hidden in it. A wonderful life for all of us.